Welcome again to Daily Talk. Today we are going to learn about something very important. It's not a word of the day today, but two important words, two commonly confusing words. But they have to be used correctly. So let's learn how to use them correctly, and going forward let's use them correctly. So if you're ready to know, let's get started. The two words which I am going to tell you now would be very similar, would be very common, and most of you would have thought they're just the same words, two different words to give the same meaning. But no, they are totally different, but they sound very similar. So, the words are want and need. Want and need. Want அப்படின்றது நம்மளோட ஒரு விருப்பம், ஒரு desire. A want means a desire. I have a desire to buy a car. So I can say I want to buy a car. The next word is need. Need means necessity. நம்மளோட தேவை. I feel very thirsty, so I need some water. It's an essential thing. You definitely need it. It's not a choice. It's a compulsion. So need. Whereas want is used for choices. Wherever you have preferences, we can use want. What do you want? Coffee or tea? So here we have a choice, we have a preference to choose from. So want is used for desires. நம்மளோட ஆசை, நம்மளோட விருப்பத்தை want அப்படின்ற வேர்ட் வச்சு நம்ம வந்து சொல்றோம். அதே need அப்படின்றது necessity, essential things. We need air, food, shelter to live. I definitely need some fresh air because I'm very suffocating. இந்த இடத்துல எனக்கு ரொம்ப புழுக்கமா இருக்கு, நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷான காற்றை வந்து சுவாசிக்கணும் அப்படின்றது it's very essential. You feel suffocated, you feel that, and you need the fresh air. Whereas the other one is I want a beautiful dress for my birthday. என்னோட இந்த பர்த்டேக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு அழகான dress வேணும். It's just a choice. You may or may not have a new dress for the birthday. Your birthday is still going to be special for you. But you need something is a compulsion. உங்களோட necessary தேவைகளை we use the word need. So next time when you really need something, use the word need. When you want something, when you have a desire to something, use the word want. See, let's use it in other sentence. I want to learn English. I know many different languages. அது கூட எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷும் கத்துக்கணும்னு ஒரு ஆசை இருக்கு. So then we say I want to learn English. இதே நீங்க ஒரு காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கீங்க, you are in your college finals, then you should say I need to improve my English to get a good job. நான் என்னோட இங்கிலீஷை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியே ஆகணும், அப்பதான் எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல வேலை கிடைக்கும். Here it is a necessity. You have to do it for your career, for your bright future. Whereas people who do not have the need but they still have the desire to learn English just as an additional language, they can say I want to learn English. So next time, make sure you use the word want and need correctly. Need is necessity and want is a desire. So with that note, let me finish the video for today and meet you all again tomorrow in a new video. So don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talk, because we are going to learn every single day. We are going to learn, we are going to have fun, and we are going to enjoy what we do here. So if you want the enjoyment, don't miss to subscribe the channel and don't miss our videos every day. Until then, bye bye. Have a great evening.